Cordial greetings. This is my job interview.
What is your name?
My name is Fabián Andrés Pantoja.
How old are you?
I am 33 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Imues. This is a municipality of Nariño.
Are you single or married?
I am married. My wife's name is Claudia.
Do you have children?
I have two children, Sofia and Fernando. They are my life.
What are you studying?
I am studying industrial engineering at the UNAD. I really like this career.
What are your hobbies?
My favorite hobbies are filling crossword puzzles and playing soccer.
Where do you work?
I work in my municipality in a brick factory. I am the plant manager there.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Oh yes, I was born in Imues. I studied at the Maria Luz Educational Institution. I was a good student, but I could not continue studying for financial reasons. Now I am married and I have two children, and I am studying industrial engineering at the UNAD.
What are your strengths?
My strengths are I am very responsible person and I like to do things well and I have leadership.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is that I have afraid of breaking up with people.
What is your biggest achievement in life?
My biggest achievement in life was to become a plant manager in the company where I work.
Why do you want to leave your job?
I want leaving my job because I must change cities.
Why do you want to work for you?
I want to work for you because your company is very well known and I have the skills for to work here. Thank you very much.